in Litchfield, 29585, Conway's 29526 and 29527, Loris 29569, Longs 29568, and Little River 29566. As everybody remembers, in December of 2023, we've had our best to date sales. All of 2023. December was by far the highest closed sales and pending sales. And active listings and everything are pretty similar to what happened in January, although it's weird. In December, basically everything went up from November because the interest rates went down, and just that little bit made a big difference. And you can see how when they climbed back up a little bit, it made a big difference as well in our January market. Okay, so let's go to 29566. In December, and see, this is what's strange. They intertwine. Some are, okay, so this one was 387,539 in December, which was a high month. They're even higher in Little River at 428,992 right now. Average days on market, 129, about the same as they were. The median price is higher right now in 2024. Days on market, months of supply, real close to being the same. Active listings, 30 different. Look at the pending sales though. Like I said, this December was the best month we've had in a long time. So 91 compared to 95, 202 compared to 61 in January. Starts out slow, and as the interest rates go up and down, we'll see fluctuations like this. 29576, which is the Myrtle's Inlet area in Garden City. Now, this to me was very, let's go to December 1st. Look at these prices, median 498, 538. Then look at what it came in January. Wow, 532. Look at the average, 741, 816. That's the highest it's been. So if you're looking to sell right now in 29576, please give me a call. I'd love to show you all of my digital marketing and what I do to get homes sold right away. And let's see, these are the same, real close. Days on market from last time. Let's see, we're 181. Oh, well, look at that. The average is 218. That's why that price went up for the average compared to 184. 3.9. Now we're a little bit more, 3.7. 170, real close to the same amount of listings. We sold, we had 100 pending, only 54 in January, 124 closed sales versus 38. Okay, 29582, which is North Myrtle Beach. That one is, let's see, North. There actually went down just a hair, 650, 860 to 647, 348. Let's look at the, okay, 109 compared to days on market, 91. Now went down 249. The price per square foot, the average price per square foot went down from 256 to 249. About the same months of supply, 3.2 compared to 3.3. And 147 to 1, those are all the same. And of course here, the pending sales, 110 compared to 47, and 144 back in December compared to 37. So that's that. 29526 is one of the Conway zip codes. So 336,755 compared to 342. So it went up in Conway. Average days on market, really about the same. And let's see, the price per square foot went down. It was 146. Now it's 138. About the same months of supply, 3.4 to 3.7. We have about the same listings, actually a little bit less now. We had 383, 340, 254 pending sales. Still a lot of pending sales, not as many though. 130, It's got the most in 29526, a lot of new construction. 254 closed sales in December compared to 61. So like I said, it's still a good time to sell. 29568 is longs. 336, 387 is the average now compared to 335. Very similar, went up a little bit. 159 days on market, average days on market compared to 147. They went down. Average price per square foot went up by $7. Same amount, really, months of supply, 4.6. So it's still a seller's market. It's just taking longer to sell. 264 to 277, still a lot of active listings, a lot of new building going in longs. 182 in December. That just kills me. That's so phenomenal. 182 compared to 73 in 2024. 180 closed sales compared to 45. 29569 is Loris. Let's see. We went up from 294,884 to 311,052. 155 average days on market to 163. 142 price per square foot went down a little bit to 139. They have the most months of supply, 5.4 to 5.1. Active listings in January was 104 to 110. December, 51 pending compared to 23, and 49 compared to 13 in January. Last one is Pawleys Island in Litchfield. So in December, they were average price 920,974. They're down to 668,170. And remember, these are average prices. One days on market, went from 103 to 141. 141. So we have more days on market in Pawleys Island. Price per square foot went down from 224 to 209. Month supply went down from 3.3. We have 88 active listings, 27 pending, and 26. So see, it's kind of all over the board right now. Some are good, some are back. We're going to go back and forth like this in all the markets, but if you'd like a certain area, I can certainly do this for you, neighborhoods, but normally I do them by zip codes. And again, I'm Vicki Harvey with Vicki Sells Grand Strand and Realty One Group, and I can be reached at 843-222-7800. I'd love to hear from you, and I'd love to share my marketing with all of you. Take care. Bye-bye. Watch me on social media as well. Bye.